Sa sobrang dami ng health cards, ano nga ba pinagkaiba ng medical insurance ng AIA? Hey guys, I'm Alfred and I'm a health and medical insurance expert ng AIA and Medicard Philippines. And ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin is the AIA Medical Solutions. So, anong pinagkaiba nito dun sa health insurance namin? So, the medical solution is an HMO type of insurance. So, itong medical insurance, it is focused more on hospitalization. So, if you already have an existing HMO, then pwede to na maging booster dun sa existing HMO mo. Kasi let's be honest, maliit lang yung coverage sometimes ng companies. It can range from 50,000 to 100 to 200 to 500,000. And itong medical insurance, it starts at 750,000 up to 6 million annually yung benefit. So for example, your hospital bill umabot ng 800,000. Saan mo kukunin ngayon yung excess kung ang limit mo lang sa company HMO is 200,000? That's where this medical insurance comes into play. Kasi pwedeng ito yung magbayad dun sa medical bills mo. But the main difference would be the copay setup. Pero if I were to ask you, mas gusto mo bang mag-out of pocket yung kulang dun sa HMO limit mo, or kumuha ka na ng medical insurance ngayon na mas mura lang compared sa, let's say, 500,000. Di ba mas okay yun? And aside from that, pre-existing condition can be covered 70 to 80%. Depende kung in or out of Medicard network siya. So yes, the provider is Medicard, but it is an AIA medical insurance product. So kung wala ka namang HMO, then we also have the value-added benefits, which is the preventive care, the dental care, teleconsultation, and yung wala dun sa mga HMO na individual, family, or company plan, which is the mental health counseling. Kasama po siya, may coverage po for mental health counseling, and it will depend on the plan availed. And within this, meron rin po tayong tinatawag na mga inner limits. Pero ganun din naman po sa HMO. Meron din pong mga inner limits na tinatawag doon. And nandun siya sa Memorandum of Agreement. So for this one, 50% of the surgeon's fee yung mako-cover, and the rest nandun naka-itemize na sa proposal. So this medical insurance is suited for those who doesn't have any HMO, or those na may HMO pero nakukulangan pa dun sa limit nila. So para sa mga gustong malaman kung ano yung coverage ng medical insurance namin, I will leave my booking appointment link below. Pwede tayong mag-meet sa AIA Cubao or pwede rin via online.